Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 35. This question is from GATE 2017 examination. Let us read the question. A phase controlled single phase full bridge converter is fed from a 230 volt 50 hertz AC source. Okay, so here we are having a full bridge converter, that is a full bridge rectifier. The fundamental frequency in hertz of the voltage ripple on the DC side is, okay, so input supply frequency is 50 hertz they have given. Okay, so if you check input supply frequency is 50 hertz, means supply is completing 50 cycles in 1 second. Okay, 50 cycles in 1 second, right? So here it is a one complete cycle of the supply, that is from 0 to 2 pi. Whereas in the output, if you check, in the output we are getting two pulses. In the output we are getting two pulses, okay, corresponding to one input cycle, right? So what is the output pulse frequency? Is equal to 2 times output pulse frequency is equal to 2 times the supply frequency. So therefore output pulse frequency is equal to 2 times supply frequency. Okay, what is the supply frequency? 50. So 2 into 50, so it is equal to 100 hertz. And important to note, the output pulse frequency or the ripple frequency is nothing but the same as that of the fundamental frequency, same as that of the fundamental frequency, because the fundamental component is having a frequency which is same as that of the output pulse frequency, right? Same as that of the output pulse frequency. So it is a 100 hertz. So option C is the correct option. Okay, so this is about the question number 35. In the next video we will discuss the question number 36. Thank you.